Hey everyone, today I'm going to educate you on the finer use of a Britannica Junior Encyclopedia. I purchased this from Erin in the Adirondacks on one of her multi-vendor sales that she holds the first and third weekend of every month. Isn't it cute? But hey, wait a minute, you haven't seen anything yet, because it does expand. And check it out. It is an ephemera holder that she made out of an encyclopedia. And she packed my other order in it too. So, I got, what is this, fabric? I think it says fabric. Yep, it's fabric, but look at this. Beautiful red cardinals. I'm going to cut the birds off of this and use it. And she makes these little envelopes, and inside the envelopes she had all these patterned papers that I'm going to use my spray inks on for mixed media. I thought they were kind of cute, neat, and I love her little bags she makes. But I really love this. This will come in very handy. But how neat would this be for Christmas presents for your crafting friends? To make these ephemera holders and actually fill them with ephemera. Of course, it would take you all year to make them, but that's beside the point. But anyway, this coming weekend, tomorrow and Sunday, Erin sells on her channel, Erin in the Adirondacks. And it starts at 1 p.m. and it goes all day and into the night. So you might want to check her out. And this Sunday I will also be selling with her, and I have many $1 items. Okay, we'll see you this weekend, I hope. Bye bye.